Chocolate walnut fudge is a perfect combo of silky creamy chocolate with the crunchy nutty walnuts. This recipe is super easy with just 4 ingredients and ready in no time. Hi everyone, this is Darshi and welcome to my Sugarush kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make chocolate walnut fudge in no time and with just 4 ingredients. So let's start. Here I have 200 grams of condensed milk. I'm going to add 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, half teaspoon of vanilla extract. So I'm going to quickly now stir this. I'm now going to pop this in the microwave with intervals of 30 seconds, stirring it in between until all the chocolate is melted. My fudge mix is now ready. I'm going to pour it in a tray lined with parchment paper. I'm going to evenly spread it in the tray. Now top it with some roughly chopped walnuts. I'm going to slightly press the walnuts in with my palette knife. Now I'm going to allow my fudge to set in the fridge for about 2 hours. It's now 2 hours. My chocolate fudge is now firm and set. I'm going to remove it from the tray slowly. Now cut it in squares. Now very gently remove the squares and place them on a serving board. My homemade chocolate walnut fudge is now ready. Enjoy and indulge. Thank you for watching. Looking forward to your experience on this recipe in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more.